So I will go to my Play Store. So this is Play Store, and of course I will just type Reach Out app, and it's going to bring this. So this is the app. That's the app. So I'm going to click on install. Okay. So I'm going to click on install to install the app. To install the app. Okay, so it has finally installed. So I will just click on open. I'll click on open. And of course, I will just click on get started. I'll click on next. I'll click on next. I'll click on next. Then I'll put in my phone number or the number that you want to use. Okay, it could be your phone number or the number you want to use. Whatever number you are putting there, you must have access to that phone because an OTP will be sent to that phone. Okay, so I'm using my own number because I have access to that number, to that phone. So I will just put in my number there, and I'll click verify. So it's going to send a 6-digit OTP. Now let me go and check it out. So I will go to my message. Go to message, and okay, this is message. Oh, this is it. So I will copy it, and then I'll come back to this page, and I will just fill in the number. Okay, so then I will I can put in my name. So let me just put in my name there, and then I'll click on proceed. Now there is a referral code that I need to put there. So I will go and copy the referral code, and I will put it there. So I'm going to give you my own referral code so that you can put it there when you want to activate your own. So let me get the referral code. Okay, I have my referral code now, so I will just put in there, and then I will click on continue. Okay, so I will just skip that part and move on. Skip for later. This one. Okay, while using the app, I can click on allow. Now this is actually the setup. So you put in the referral code, then you click continue, and then if you need notification, you can check that, and if you don't, you can just skip, and then after which it's going to ask to allow for access to your location. If you want, click on it. If you don't want, just say don't allow. So, and then you have this. So this is the interface for the reach out app. Okay, so what we need to do now is to come to this place, this settings, this one here. You come to this settings. Okay, so you click on it. So when you click on it, you look for zero data. So zero data. I think this zero data here. You look for this zero data. Now you could see that the bar is highlighted, meaning your 5 gigabyte has been given. So once it is highlighted, it means it has been given. So look at it here, 0.5 gigabyte, which is 500 megabyte. Okay, so that means you are actually being credited with it, and of course you will receive a message to that effect as well. In this part, we are going to be testing our data to see whether it is working. So how do we go about this? Now let me try, and first of all, let me look for reach out and try and deactivate it. So let me try and deactivate it first. Okay, so I'll click on settings, click on this and then deactivate. So it's disconnected now. Okay, now let me now go back. Here I have, okay, my data is on. Now there's nothing on my MTN data. So how do I know? Let me prove it to you. Let me try and watch this video. Udemy. Let me try and watch this video. Okay, you can see that it's taking like forever to open up. It's taking like forever to open up. Let me see also YouTube video. Okay, you can also see that this one too is having difficulty loading up because there's no data. All right, let me now go and activate my data. Let me go back and activate. Let me connect my data. Okay, now once it is on blue like this, it is connected. It's connected. Let me see again. Hey, so it's on blue like this. It's trying to connect. Now you can see it's saying zero data is connected. So once you see this page, you know it is connected. Okay, and then you will see this key. There's this key here. Okay, that's the symbol that it is connected. It is working. All right, so let's now go back to the video I want to open earlier, the Udemy video that I want to open earlier. So let me go back to it. This one here. Okay, let's see. You can see that it's trying to load it now. You see that? Then let me play it.
Search
You see
results
that
for
it's
me with
working.
the most relevant
So
results,
this is
and the
working.
very top of Google
And
Map
I just
will be
have
displayed with the
1.4
nearest
gigabyte
establishment
left,
that sell pizza.
all for free, and you can
Moreover, I
increase
will
it.
see specific restaurants as
You
well
can
as how many reviews each of these.
you can increase it as to how many gig you want, depending on how many numbers you are able to get to register. Okay, so this is how to test whether what your reach out is working and data is working. Okay, so bye for now.